The first thing we're going to do is turn off clipboard history. So go to your search bar, press on the settings icon, where you can type settings. Then click on System. Now look for clipboard. If the clear button is available, click on it. Then switch clipboard history to off. It keeps a running log of everything you copy. Now, just look at the top left and click on Notifications and Actions. Here, turn off all unnecessary notifications. You can disable everything or just the apps you don't care about. Also, make sure to uncheck these annoying features. Now, let's move to more advanced settings. We're going to disable memory compression. Memory compression is actually a Windows 10 and 11 feature that compresses in used RAM data instead of moving it to the page file. Here's how to disable it. Go to Search and type Windows PowerShell. Make sure you run it as administrator. So before we start, we need to check if it's currently enabled. Type this command, get mmagent, then press enter. It's also in the description. Now you're going to see a list. The one we're looking for is called memory compression. If it shows false, you're already optimized for this. But if memory compression shows true, here's how to disable it. Type this command, disable mmagent, memory compression, then go check by typing get mmagent. This will help 90% of you fix that 100% RAM usage and will even boost your FPS by 5 to 20 FPS. For most cases, this can help you improve your high RAM usage. This works even better if you have a potato, low-end PC, but it's still useful even if you have a good PC. Use Wise Memory Optimizer. This little tool right here is light, fast, and totally free. I've personally used it for over 5 years, and honestly, it's still my go-to RAM booster. First, download it. Link is in the description below. Once you install and open it, the interface is super simple. You'll see a graph showing your used and free memory. Just click the green Optimize button and watch what happens. My RAM usage drops in seconds. It frees up background memory from apps you're not using. In the search bar, type Registry Editor, open it, and let's move on. Now don't worry, this part is safe and simple. Just copy the registry path I've added in the description, paste it into the top bar of the Registry Editor, and press enter. Follow these changes exactly as I show on screen. First, find Clear Page File at Shutdown, double-click it, and set the value to 1. Then click OK. Next, look for Disable Paging Executive. Do the same, set it to 1. And finally, find Large System Cache, and also set that to 1. These tweaks help Windows manage RAM smarter. Just proven changes I use myself. Alright, now copy and paste the second registry path from the description into the top bar of the Registry Editor and press enter. Once you're there, look for a value called Start, double-click it, and change the value data to 4. Then hit OK, and you're done. This disables the NDU service, which can cause high RAM or disk usage on some system. Let's clean up Google Chrome to reduce RAM usage. Open Chrome, click the 3 dots in the top right corner, and go to Settings. Now click on System from the left menu. Look for the option that says Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Show system notifications about Chrome features and tips. Go ahead and turn both of these off. Turning these off frees up memory when Chrome is closed. Next, still in the left menu, click Performance. Turn on Memory Saver. This puts inactive tabs to sleep after a while. They don't close, just pause until you click them again. If your PC has low memory, set it to maximum. Otherwise, balance works fine. Now let's unlock a hidden feature called Chrome Flags. In the Chrome address bar, type Chrome//flags. This works on Chromium browsers like Chrome, Brave, Edge, and Opera. You'll see a warning, don't worry, that's about privacy stuff. We're only touching performance settings. In the search box at the top, type Zero Copy Rasterizer. Set it to Enabled. This makes Chrome load images and videos using less RAM. Then type GPU Rasterization. Enable that too. This lets Chrome use your graphics card instead of RAM and CPU to render web pages. If your GPU isn't super old, it'll make things run smoother and save memory. Finally, click the Relaunch button at the bottom to apply the change. Go to the search bar and type Advanced System Settings. Now switch to the Advanced tab and click Change under Virtual Memory. uncheck the box that says Automatically Manage Paging File Size. Select your system drive. Usually that's C. Now, choose Custom Size. For the initial size, type your RAM in megabytes. Now, for example, I have 16 gigabytes of RAM, so I'll type 16384 for the initial size and 32768 for the maximum size. Click Set, then OK, and restart your PC when you're done. This helps prevent RAM bottlenecks and fix random memory spikes, especially if you get lag or crashes while multitasking. Next step is to disable background apps. Click the search bar, type background apps, and hit enter. Now, just turn off anything you don't need, like Xbox, Skype, Maps, all that junk running in the background. Right-click the taskbar, open Task Manager, and go to the Startup tab. Now, right-click and disable anything you don't need to boot, like Discord, Spotify, or OneDrive. That's it. Go to the bottom left corner and click the search bar. Type Services, then press Enter on your keyboard. Now you'll see a window called Services. Here, we're going to stop some memory-hungry services that most people don't even use. Scroll down slowly and look for these one by one. Sysmain, double-click it, click the Stop button, then where it says Startup Type, click the drop-down and select Disabled. Now click Apply, then OK. Do the same for Connected User Experience, Windows Search, Diagnostics Tracking Service. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if it helped. And smash that like if your RAM is finally chill.